Safeguarding is crucial in protecting those most at risk. Knowing the proper safeguarding process can significantly help you safeguard your loved ones. Here are 5 essential tips to enhance your safeguarding skills. Recognize signs of abuse. Learn the physical, emotional, and behavioral indicators of harm. Act on concerns promptly. Always report suspicions to the appropriate safeguarding professionals. Listen and support. Create a safe space where children and vulnerable adults feel heard. Confidentiality matters. Share concerns responsibly while protecting sensitive information. Continuous training. Stay informed with up-to-date safeguarding courses and resources. In that scenario, Level 3 Safeguarding Children and Vulnerable Adults training can provide you with the advanced knowledge to act confidently in safeguarding situations. Even if you are a safeguarding leader or in a managerial position, this Level 3 safeguarding training will add immense value to your skill set. Act now, and take your safeguarding knowledge to the next level.